SolveMyChallenge.com. Going through a divorce can be a trying time emotionally, physically, and financially. The results of a divorce may follow you for years and possibly for the rest of your life. Do all you can to ensure the final results of your divorce are as positive as possible. Divorce for the right reason. Make sure you are getting divorced for the right reasons. People change, your spouse did and so did you. Communication during a marriage can break down and things like kids and finances can come between couples. Getting a divorce will not make the kids go away and often makes financial matters even worse. Seek counseling if there is even a slim chance that the marriage can be salvaged. Often people think if I simply get rid of him/her I will be happy, but there may be an underlying reason to your unhappiness that has nothing to do with your spouse. A qualified marriage counselor can often help you individually or together root out and solve marriage problems. Uncontested divorce. If you are on good terms with your spouse and the feelings between you are mutual, discuss the divorce and see if you can agree to terms without an attorney. There are new, inexpensive methods to file an online divorce through sites like Discount Divorce Online that can save you and your spouse thousands of dollars if the divorce is uncontested. Going through an uncontested divorce can also significantly reduce your stress, and if you have children is much healthier for them both during and after the divorce. Find the right divorce attorney. When a divorce cannot be filed uncontested and an attorney is needed, it is extremely important that you not only hire a skilled divorce attorney, but the right divorce lawyer for you. Every divorce attorney has his or her own style. Make sure their style suits both yours and the style necessary to protect your best interest during and after the divorce.